Today is the day that we will boost your posture, activate your core in just 5 minutes. This routine is exactly what you need. We'll focus on movements that release tension, build stability, and reset your alignment so you can stand taller, and I promise you by the end, you will feel stronger. No equipment is needed, just a mat or a soft surface and a small space. You can do this routine at home, in the gym, or even outside. Each stretch will last 30 seconds to 1 minute, giving you the perfect amount of time to wake up your muscles and improve flexibility. Let's dive in and activate that powerhouse posture. Let's start small but mighty with the wrists, because strong hands mean controlled movements. Extend your arms forward and make slow, deliberate circles with your wrists. Rotate clockwise for 15 seconds, then switch directions for another 15. Keep your fingers relaxed as you move. This movement is going to warm up the joints, release tension from repetitive tasks, and improve mobility for upper body exercises. If you're a beginner, keep the circles small and gentle. If you're advancing in the stretch, add resistance by holding light weights or a resistance band. Feel the energy flow through your hands and arms as we shift focus to the lower body. Next, let's wake up the ankles, the unsung heroes of balance and mobility. Stand tall or sit down. Lift your right foot slightly off the ground and roll your ankles in slow, controlled circles. After 15 seconds, switch to the left foot, ensuring smooth, steady rotations. This exercise is going to enhance ankle mobility, prevent stiffness, and prepare your lower body for dynamic movements. If you're a beginner, keep your toes on the ground and roll gently. If you're advancing in the stretch, roll your ankles while balancing on one leg to challenge stability. Your wrists and ankles are ready. Now, let's open the chest and improve posture. Time to stand tall and release the tension that hunches us forward. Stand or kneel with your knees hip-width apart. Clasp your hands behind your back or hold a towel if needed. Inhale deeply as you lift your chest and pull your clasped hands gently backward. Exhale as you let your shoulders roll back and down, opening your chest wide. This stretch is going to improve posture, relieve upper body tightness, and counteract the effects of sitting or slouching. If you're a beginner, use a towel to reduce shoulder strain. If you're advancing in the stretch, add a slight back bend to deepen the stretch through your chest and shoulders. With your chest open and posture lifted, let's engage the core and back with the next move. Let's activate your core and back with the balance challenge that builds stability. Come onto all fours, hands under shoulders and knees under hips. Extend your right arm forward and your left leg straight back, creating a straight line from fingertips to toes. Inhale as you reach and exhale as you bring your elbow and knee together underneath your body. After 30 seconds, switch sides. Extend your left arm and right leg, focusing on control and balance as you move. This move strengthens your core, improves stability, and engages your back and hips for better posture and alignment. If you're a beginner, keep both hands on the ground and extend only one leg at a time. If you're advancing in the stretch, add a pause at the top of the movement to deepen the activation. Feel your core fire up, holding you steady as we move into a dynamic full body stretch. Now it's time to stretch those legs and wake up your hips and spine with some movement. Start in a deep squat with your feet slightly wider than hip-width apart, toes pointing outward. Hold on to your ankles as you lower your hips. Inhale here, and as you exhale, straighten your legs and reach for the sky, hinging forward at the hips. Return to the squat position and repeat, keeping the motion smooth and steady. This movement improves hip and hamstring flexibility, strengthens your legs, and stretches your spine. If you're a beginner, don't go as deep into the squat. If you're advancing in the stretch, add a slight jump as you return to standing for extra engagement. Feel the energy building in your legs and hips. Let's finish strong with a side stretch to lengthen your body. Awesome work, fam! You've activated your core, boosted your posture, and stretched your entire body in just 5 minutes. If you're feeling good, smash that subscribe button and grab your customizable fitness program in the description below. It's packed with the tools to keep you moving, flexible, and strong. Stay motivated, stay powerful, and I'll see you in the next session. Let's go!